Welcome to Dover Fueling Solutions. We really just wanted to kind of celebrate innovation, manufacturing, and where we see electrical vehicle charging going, especially in honor of National Infrastructure Week. We think it's important to showcase how we're part of that conversation.
On behalf of Mayor Craig Morgan, myself, and the City Council, just congratulate you on this new technology that you're doing, and just thank you for being such a good partner to us in the city. I know we were talking about you being here for over 20 years, and just the fact that we can have companies that come here and have that sustainability means hopefully our partnership is going well and we're doing something right.
It is a pretty exciting day. I was hired 23 years ago. And I never thought we'd be making electric chargers because we were all about oil and gas back then. So the product is designed here, sourced and made here, and shipped from right here in Austin. So I'm pretty proud of that.
We really took great care in looking at not only what we're doing, but what the future is needing. So that's kind of the entire genesis of what Wayne Power was created as. Thank you very much for showing up. And let's have some fun, and answer some questions for you.